Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you home remedy called liquid soap. To show you how to make soap in your home. And see all the items for ground. So here, you can see it. You do liquid soap in your home to help you. Instead of buy soap market every day, learn how to do liquid soap in your home to help you to wash your children's clothes, even wash plates, mop floor, anything. You can use it and do it than buy soap in your home every day. Learn how to do liquid soap in your home remedy. And see all the items for here, some for rubber. So if you are doing it, you have to be fast so that the thing will not get lost. See how we are turning it very fast. So if you go to buy, you turn it inside big rubber, then you turn it together. You can see, so that everything will mix together. One will not get lost. And if you go to the market, you ask them you want to buy things for liquid soap, they will sell it for you and they will number it for you. The way they will show you the way you use it. Like you can see, this one have the right number 9, the right is number 5. So it have number and you get different color. If you want white color, if you want blue, if you want yellow, if you want green, you buy the color and use it. So the thing is very, very nice. Learn how to make soap in your home remedy. This is a name. It's a very, very hard work. It's a very good hard work. If you learn how to make soap, liquid soap in your home, it will help you a lot. Instead of buy Omo soap for market every day, if you learn it, you'll be doing it in your home. It will help you. See another one that you add. See another one again that you add. This number 8, and this is the color you put. So after doing it like this,